Hello and welcome to another Stratco how-to. Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up and lighting the Eco Fuego Fire Pit. Let's take a look inside. The Eco Fuego is available in two colours, charcoal and natural, and we've got the naturally coloured one here. So here we have the lid. The Eco Fuego is one of the most eco-friendly fire pits on the planet, emitting only a fraction of the carbon of a regular fire pit while still maintaining incredible heat and a super long lasting flame. Now it's quite heavy, just get your hands under it and lift it out. So as always, it's good to unpack your box and set everything out just to check that everything is inside as per the instructions on the list. So you'll see here we've got the lid to the Eco Fuego, and this is actually currently upside down. The reason for that is just so that we can take out the contents in a nice easy way. So inside we have the internal drum, which is what the candle goes in, and then here is the candle. So the Eco Fuego comes with 4 of these screw plates, and this is for raising the fire pit off the ground for maximum airflow. So in terms of installation, we just want to flip it back round upside down, and you'll see on the underside the 4 screw points for these feet. Just simply screw them in. So you can see with the Eco Fuego, it's got a beautiful natural wood design, including 2 antique looking handles on each side, which is really handy for lifting, and we're going to place it on our pavers. So one of the brilliant features of the Eco Fuego Fire Pit is that it emits only a fraction of the carbon of a regular fire pit. Now the reason for that is it operates off a 100% vegetable wax candle, which means that there is no wood smoke, no ash or embers to your fire pit, which really enhances the environment when using it in social situations with your friends and family. So we've set up our fire pit on our pavers, and now we're going to get ready to light it. So simply place the drum inside like this. This is where the candle goes, and lift your candle into position. You can keep the paper wrapped around it, so simply drop it through like this, and all you do is tear off the top part to expose the wick beneath. So the Eco Fuego is really suitable for small spaces, small gardens and courtyards, etc. And the other great thing about it is it's really efficient. The candle in here is the equivalent of 80 logs, making it a really efficient fire pit. Okay, so we're going to light our Eco Fuego using either a long match or a firelighter. We have a firelighter today, and point it towards this outside square cardboard until it lights. So we've lit the square wick of our Eco Fuego fire pit. Now one tip, if you would like to get the fire going a little bit quicker, is to get some paper towel, scrunch it up into a ball and place it into the middle of the square wick, just like this. So our Eco Fuego fire pit is nicely underway now, and what we can see here is the real benefits of such a product with no firewood smoke, no ash or embers. The other real excellent benefit of this product is the extinguishing of the fire, because all you have to do is simply slide the lid over the top of the flames and it's out.